Hello campers and RVers. Today I'm going to perform the maintenance on the Blue Ox. I need to grease it, and I have a grease gun here, and I need to grease up all of the points. And also I picked up some Rust-Oleum, hammered is the color, to cover up the areas that are rusted. I did speak to a salesman for the Blue Ox and told him about the challenges I had with the rusting, and they said that that's perfectly normal. You just need to address it and cover it up so it doesn't continue to rust. So with that, I'm going to get started. So I have the area prepped, and I'm going to go ahead and start getting the paint ready for the hitch. So we'll check back with you later. So we'll go ahead and let that dry. So while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and have a cold beverage and some peanuts. I love being at campsites when there's not a lot of people around. It's just so quiet. And then if you do hear a noise, it's a fly or a bee or a bird, or it's deer coming out. I think the squirrels hear my peanuts cracking and they're running around. No. Don't come any closer. Boy, you have big ears, my friend. Oh, I was eating the peanut shells. You're not supposed to do that. I just took off all of the tape, and it looks really good. I'm very happy with that. And so now I'm onto the next piece. So to grease the points in the Blue Ox hitch system, you just go ahead and find these points like this, and I believe they call them nipples. You just go ahead and take your grease gun, and it has a little handle on it, which I showed you earlier, and you just go ahead and put this on the nipple, they call it, and then go ahead and squeeze the lever until you can see it coming out. Then you know that it's full. And then you just want to take a paper towel and wipe it off. Just wipe off the excess. And then you want to do the other side. You could see that it came out from down here too, so it must be full. And it's moving really well. Just a quick tip, campers and RVers, greasing those points is so important, and that's why I wanted to show that to you. I got stuck on the eastern shore of Maryland because I wasn't able to move those areas that you plug the sway bars into. They kind of like seized up because I wasn't greasing them. I didn't know to do that. And that's so important that you make that part of your regular maintenance, your battle rhythm each month or every other month. I was in a lot of rain and they just seized up, so I had to figure it out the hard way and go get a grease gun, and somebody showed me at the AutoZone or Track Auto or one of those kind of places how to attach it, and then just do exactly what I showed you, how to put the grease in there until it starts kind of oozing out, and then you just wipe it away. That's how they showed me how to do it, and that's the way I've been doing it, and it's been working great ever since. So I would just recommend doing that monthly or every other month, especially if you're in like a rainy area. And again, don't forget to do that piece because it's very important. So we're on to the next piece. So I let this dry overnight, and I'm going to go ahead and take off the paper and see how it did. Doesn't look too bad. So that didn't turn out too bad. Looks a lot better without the rust on it. So that's the maintenance on the Blue Ox. Just make sure that you grease those points I went over, and also get rid of any rust that appears, just so that you can extend the life of your Blue Ox sway bar system. I hope this information was helpful, and thanks so much for watching.